back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. We are a family here. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. It means a lot to me. So today I'll be sharing with you my skincare routine that I use for my acne face. Yeah, if you watch the previous video when I was talking about my 2024 vision board, I said that one of my vision board was to start my skincare routine because I had a lot of stuff going on my face, and when I started this skincare routine, I noticed some like good improvements. So here are my skincare routine. So the basic thing I do is I use cleanser, toner, my syrup, and cleanser, toner, my syrup, then the face cream, and I also have this hydrating spray to just keep everything my face hydrated. It's a lot of start. So first off, I go in with my cleanser. I use this CeraVe CeraVe smoothing cleanser. Yeah, I like it because it has some ingredients that is good for bumpy skin. If you it's in there for dry, bumpy skin. So after now, I'll go and wash off my face. I'm coming back.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm back. I'm back. The next is to go in with my toner. I have a little cotton ball thing with me. So my toner is this is the toner I use. I also have some toners that I use on alternating days. So I'll allow this to like dry off and absorb in my skin. So for my cleanser, I have two cleansers. This one, I don't use this one every day. Then I also have this. The days I'm not using this, I'm using this cleanser. Then for my toner, I use the Simple Soothing Facial Toner. And on days I don't use this toner, I use this Roshun AH AHA toner. And I also have this Olay toner. Initially, this was the first toner I got. Then before I got this one, and later on this one, so it's almost finished. So those are the three toner sets that I have, and I use. So let's just wait. So this is actually my my regular daily skincare routine that I do in the morning and at night. There's some tweaks in the night still, but this is my regular daily routine that I usually do. So after my cleanser, after my toner, the next step is the syrup. I have two syrup here. Um, this is what I use in the daytime. It has hyaluronic hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, yes. This thing will humble you. It has hyaluronic acid, so I use it in the daytime. Just apply a little bit. I don't forget my nose, and I go in and I just massage it thoroughly. My skincare always extend to my neck. I don't know if that also happens to you, but whatever goes on in my face goes to my neck also. Okay. So at night I use the ordinary serum. It has this salicylic acid, which is really good for acne. It's really, really good for acne. So these are the two syrups I use morning and night. Morning and night. At night, I use the two. After I apply this first at night, then after a while, I apply this before I go in with my face cream. Then for days that I use my facial mask is after the toner. After I've cleansed, I've done my toner, I use the facial mask. Then after the facial mask, I'll allow the substance in the facial mask to just absorb in my skin then before I go over to the syrups that I will be using. So the next is my face cream. This is my face cream. I really, really love this face cream. I really love this face cream. I just got it recently though. I think that was November or so. I just got it, not 2 months, but I love this face cream. It's the Gokujun Premium. The Gokujun Premium face cream. The anytime I use this face cream, it used to usually leave this glow-like effect on my face. This face cream was made in Japan. I don't know if you can see it. It's written here, made in Japan, and I think they know how to do their stuff very well. So I use the face cream morning and night. I use it morning and night. Then before I started using this face cream, I was using this other face cream, vitamin C face cream. The Russia's vitamin C face cream. Actually okay on my face though. But I started using this and I said let me just stick with this for the meantime, and maybe I'll alternate with this some other day. So then it's called skincare. So your entire skin has to, you know, feel the effect of it. That is my mindset. So I got a very good cream and body oil that I use for my body generally. So I use this Olay cream. It's very good. And I've been consistent with it. Remember, I said that I used to my cream usually meets me at the expiration date, but not this one. I'm consistent with it. So I'm even trying to pet it, let it even finish. Then I also have this body oil. I usually combine the two when applying to my body day and night. You have this um to have this feel of smoothness all over my skin. I don't use it on my face though. This my skincare routine, my face cream is enough for the face. Then lastly for my face, I use this um, hydrating spray. It also has this hyaluronic acid. So I just spray it, and that is all for my skincare routine. Cut it to my cute mirror. my cute mirror. Sit here. Voila. So my cute mirror. So that is all for today for my skincare routine. Thank you all for watching to the end. Leave in the comments if you have any skincare tips that you want to share, or you can drop your own skincare routine, or if you have any recommendations that you want me to try out. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.